Do you feel nervous when speaking English? Do you worry about making mistakes? Welcome to today's lesson by Talk Fluently. You're not alone. Many learners feel afraid to speak, but the good news is, you can absolutely change that. And in this lesson, we're going to help you overcome that fear step by step. Before we dive in, make sure you've subscribed and turned on notifications, so you never miss a chance to grow with us. Alright, let's begin. Why are you afraid of speaking English? Before we fix the problem, let's understand it. One big reason? Fear of making mistakes. A lot of learners believe they must speak perfectly. But here's a truth bomb: even native speakers mess up. Mistakes are not a problem, they're part of the process. Every time you slip up, you learn something new. So instead of feeling embarrassed, feel proud, you're growing. Another reason people hold back? The fear of being judged. You might think people will laugh at you. But honestly, most people admire the fact that you're even trying. They respect your courage more than they notice your grammar. Then there's confidence, or the lack of it. If you don't believe in yourself, it's hard to open your mouth and speak freely. But confidence isn't something you're born with. It's built, with consistent practice and the right mindset. And here's the final roadblock: limited practice. If you rarely speak English, it feels unfamiliar. But the less you use it, the harder it gets to start. So, how do we break free? Let's go through the steps. Step 1: change your mindset. Accept that mistakes are part of learning. Seriously, stop chasing perfection. Your goal is communication, not to become a walking grammar book. Remember, even native speakers say things like ain't and mix up tenses. Progress matters more than perfection. So if you're improving step by step, you're winning. Step 2: speak in a safe environment. Start small. Talk to yourself in English. Narrate what you're doing: I'm making coffee, or I'm going for a walk. Stand in front of a mirror and speak. This helps you notice your body language and boosts your confidence. And hey, you don't have to do this alone. Join our Telegram group, it's full of learners just like you, ready to practice. Step 3: keep it simple. You don't need to discuss politics or philosophy on day 1. Start with small talk. Introduce yourself: hi, I'm Sam. I'm from India. I love cricket and coffee. Talk about your day. Share what you ate, what movie you watched, anything. And learn a few common phrases like how are you, nice to meet you, or can you help me? They go a long way. Step 4: slow down and breathe. People get nervous because they speak too fast. So take your time. Speaking slowly helps you form better sentences. Don't be afraid to pause. Forgot a word? Just breathe and continue. It's not a race, it's a conversation. Step 5: listen more. To speak better, you need to listen better. Try listening to simple English stories. Talk Fluently has loads of them. Listen daily, even if you're doing chores. Your brain is smart. It picks up sounds, rhythms, and vocabulary, even in the background. Repeat what you hear. Mimic native speakers. Say what they say, how they say it. This shadowing technique trains your tongue and tunes your ears. Step 6: find a speaking partner. Learning alone can be hard. Practice with someone. Join our Telegram group and find a buddy. Even 5 minutes a day helps. Try fun role plays, like ordering food, or introducing yourself to a new friend. It's fun, and it works. Step 7: don't worry about your accent. Everyone has an accent, even native speakers from different regions. Your accent tells a story, it shows where you're from. That's something to be proud of, not hide. Just focus on being clear. If people understand you, that's all that matters. Listening to different English accents can also help you feel more confident and understand others better. Step 8: use positive self-talk. What you say to yourself matters. Instead of saying I'm bad at English, say I'm improving every day. Replace negativity with encouragement. Celebrate every small win. Had a short conversation in English today? That's a win. Felt more confident than yesterday? That's another win. Step 9. Record yourself. Yes, it might feel awkward at first, but trust me, it works. Record yourself saying a few sentences. Then listen. Notice what sounds good and what needs work. Compare your recordings after a few weeks. You'll be amazed at how far you've come. And step 10. Challenge yourself daily. Step outside your comfort zone. Say hello to a stranger in English. Ask for directions. Order your lunch in English. Leave a comment online or join an English conversation group. The more you do it, the less scary it gets. And now, some final words. Speaking English isn't about perfection. It's about progress. The more you speak, the more natural it feels. So speak every day, even if it's just a little. Talk to your dog, talk to your mirror, talk to yourself. But talk. Join our Telegram group to find practice partners. And hey, now it's your turn. In the comments, write one thing you'll do today to practice English. Just one. If you found this helpful, share this video with your friends. Let's help more people speak English with confidence. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. At Talk Fluently, we upload new stories and lessons every day to make your learning journey engaging, effective, and fun. See you tomorrow.